Okay, so tonight I'm making Instant Pot Thai Chicken Rice Bowl. So I currently have the Instant Pot set on saute and I'm heating up some oil. And I have all my ingredients ready. I have soy sauce, Sriracha sauce, fish sauce, ginger, garlic, lime juice, rice, chili sauce, peanut butter. I'm going to shred up this carrot for after it's cooked. We have chicken broth, and I also have some cilantro for garnishing at the end. So I have just waiting for this to heat up, and then I'm going to sear the chicken. Okay, the oil is ready. I'm going to sear the chicken. That's a nice sound. Okay, so now I've done about 3 minutes per side. I'm just going to move them to a plate. That looks nice. Okay, so now we're going to turn off the pot. And I'm going to combine my ingredients for the sauce. Oops, sorry. Okay, so we have the chili sauce, we have the peanut butter, and the peanut butter is optional. We have lime juice. Garlic, ginger, we're going to put the Sriracha sauce in, the soy sauce, 1, 2, 3, the fish sauce, half, throw that in. Alright, I'm gonna mix this all up. Now I'm using a knife, but that's alright. Okay, now we're going to add the sauce. Pour it over the chicken. Spread it all around, top and bottom. Okay. Next, we're going to add the rice to the pot. I just want to spread that out. I'm going to put the chicken right over the rice. That is still hot from before. I'm going to pour over the sauce. And we're going to add our chicken broth. And now we're going to close it up. Seal it. Put it on pressure cooker high for 10 minutes. And we'll let that do a natural release. And while that's going, I'm just going to chop up some cilantro and shred my carrot. Okay, so I let it go for another 10 minutes. I let the remaining steam come out. Let's check it out. I'm just going to taste the rice to make sure it's ready. Oh yeah. Okay, so now, it tastes good. I'm going to pull out the chicken. I'm going to shred it with 2 forks. I just can't do it with the phone in my hand, so I'll be right back. Okay, they're all shredded, so now I'm going to take the rice mixture, just pour it all over the chicken, and then mix it all up and garnish it. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to garnish it with some shredded carrot. And some cilantro. And there you go. Just going to give it a quick little taste. That's really good. Oh, you have to make this recipe. Oh, that's really good. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.